Hey everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know why, but this year I got obsessed with the Apple cases. So today I'm going to show you guys my Apple case collection. So if you're not a subscriber, you probably have not seen my other videos. If you watch this video, it's gonna be perfect because you will see all of the Apple cases. But if you want a thorough review of some of these cases and color comparison, which I love doing in this channel, you can click the link down below. And without further ado, here it is. So the first case is going to be the Clementine. I call it Clementine, but I heard some people say Clementine, so let's just call it Clementine. Here's the Clementine. This is released in the fall 2019. On the video that I made for this case, I showed that this color is definitely the same color as the leaves. I loved it so much, but then I had a problem with the top right here. So as you can see here, guys, there's a little bit of chip. I wasn't happy. I bought this on the day that I think I got my iPhone. It's so expensive and it chips easily. I went to the store, I told them that it chipped, but they didn't really exchange it with a new one. But I guess it's understandable because they can exchange it if you bought it within 14 days. So I believe the Clementine silicone case was released along with 7 other colors, which is the product red, black, white, midnight blue, pink sand, Alaskan blue, and pine green. So the next case is going to be the product red, the all-time favorite color, red. Oh my god, guys, this red case is so vibrant. I love the color. So let's try it on our phone here. I don't know why, but this red color right now looks really nice on the camera. Let's take this moment to appreciate this red silicone case. So pretty. So far, I didn't see any chips yet on this case, so I'm really happy. Again, I think when you put it on a countertop and it's wet, that would easily get chipped when it's super wet. But if you take care of it, don't put it anywhere under water or anything wet, you will be fine. It'll be super smooth still and no chips at all. So I don't know why I waited a long time before I bought this color. It's red is always my all-time favorite. I bought this April actually during the quarantine. Okay, this next one is also included in the fall collection. I don't know why I didn't post this online and made a video about this. In real life, it's actually kind of dark, but in the camera, it's kind of brighter because of the natural lighting here. Like whenever I look at it, it's too dark. And I rarely use this. I think I bought this when I visited Lansing and I went to an Apple store. I have like love and hate because you know guys that I like bright colors. But then when I was like glancing at it or gazing at it, I thought about just buying it. If you like brighter colors, I won't suggest this. It's too dry. I don't know, it's too wintry or kind of fall color, so yeah, not recommended by me. But it's actually a good color. It's like a blue lavenderish color. I like vibrant colors, that's why I have a hard time loving this case, but Here it is. Let's try it on our phone. I'll show you a picture of this one online. It's really dark online, but in here you see that it's kinda brighter just because of the lighting. Yeah, that's the color Alaskan Blue. If you are interested of this kind of color, I searched online about Alaskan Blue color. I can put it right here for you guys so that you can read it yourself. But Alaskan Blue is a mid-tone actually. It's a subdued twilight blue with a lavender undertone. It is a perfect paint color for a bedroom, guest room, or a bathroom. Yeah, I don't like mid-tones. I like vibrant colors like in the high tones. Giving you guys an idea of what Alaskan Blue is because I've never reviewed this case. So this next apple case is my favorite color of all time. Well, red is a classic, but this color, I always mention this in my channel, and as you can see, very colorful channel. One color that you always see is pink, so here it is, the pink sand. So this case, I bought this online at Best Buy. Bought it online and then pick it up through curbside. So I haven't actually opened it yet, so we're gonna unbox it today. Oh, finally. I waited for this for a month and a half, I guess. It looks like it's washed out in the camera. It looks like white, but it's not actually white. There's a touch of pink in there. And so let's try it on our phone. This is my favorite color in this channel. Why is it super pale pink? Is this pink sand? Let's see here. Love this color, pink sand. I have a pink sand collection. Actually, I have a pink sand Apple Watch band, and then pink sand iPad case, pink sand smart battery case. Okay, so this next case I bought in November 2019. My first ever leather case from Apple. This is the Mayor Lemon, not the Mellow Yellow. The Mellow Yellow is the silicone case, I guess. I'm having trouble holding it because it's too slippery and I don't quite like this, but because of this color, that's why I bought it. And I also want to try leather case from Apple. Bought it just to see if I like leather cases from Apple, but actually I don't think I'm gonna buy another one. And let's try it on our phone. You can't actually see the Apple logo there, right there. Just like what I said, I'm not really a fan of the leather cases from Apple and leather case in general. So the next one is the product red. I didn't really want to get this color, but then Best Buy had a sale one time and this is kinda affordable. For me, it was affordable that time, and I think I bought it also in November, Black Friday, I think, price. Just to see, you know, I really wanna see how it looks like in person. Wanna compare it to with the silicone case, so I made a video. If you guys want to check it out, it's down below in the description box. There it is. They have a glossy side right there, if you can see that. So it makes them different. There you go. The leather case, product red. So this next one is kind of like one of my favorite already. The first time I bought this, I didn't really like it that much because I felt like it's kind of heavy. But then now that I've have been using it. Super useful in my lifestyle. You know what I'm talking about. It is the pink sand battery case. There are times that I forget charging my phone at night, and then the next morning I realize, yeah, oh my god, I didn't charge my phone. And so I grab this and I'm ready to go to work. I always make sure that this is charged, because whenever I need it, on those times that I forget to charge my phone at night, it's super helpful. And also when I'm really lazy, charging my phone in a wireless charger or on a outlet, I always grab this. This is really useful or convenient whenever you need it. So the sun is going down. We need to finish this cases. So the next case is going to be the grapefruit, which I bought, I guess, recently? No, springtime. So I bought this March 21st along with the surf blue, which I'm gonna show you after this. So a lot of people are asking if this is the same color as the pink sand, and they're thinking too that this is pink, but this is not pink. It's like I don't know how to describe it. It's like in the orange side, but kind of like peachy color. So if you guys want to know more about the grapefruit silicone case, I'm going to link the video on the description box so that you could click it fast right there. Today is just like trying it out and showing it to you guys, my collection. So let us try this on our phone. And the second to the last one is the surf blue, which is one of my favorite. Even if it's summer already, I feel like you can still wear this even if it was released in the springtime. I think I like this better than the blue color that they just released for the summer. Let's try it on our phone. So as you can see, I'm gonna compare it with a color right here, blue color that was released in the summer. I don't think that linen blue is kind of brighter than this surf blue. And last but not the least is the vitamin C. This is my current favorite. Let's try it on our phone here. I also made a video of this comparing it with the orange fruit. So if you guys want to check it out, it's gonna be down in the description box. So as you can see, there's no sun already because it's down. It's almost 8 o'clock in the evening, but as you can see, the color of this case is really vibrant, and I feel like it is in the neon color, but some people say that it is a papaya color. So this is all my, oh wait, I still have my orange. So these are all my collected Apple cases right here, combined silicone and leather and battery case. Just want to quickly show you guys my Apple case collection. And if you guys again want to watch the some of these cases video that I made, you can check the link down in the description box and see what you think about it. Some people are asking what's my favorite. I like seasonal colors, but for now, because it's summer, I love this vitamin C right here. Oh, it's right here. I thought this is the vitamin C, but this is the vitamin C right here. I do like wearing the grapefruit too, and also this color right here, the surf blue. So these are all the cases right here. These are the Apple cases that I collected. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think that this kind of helped you pick up your first ever Apple case, comment down below and tell me about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!